And that, kids, is why I decided to drop out of college.
Wow, I want to do that.
No, that's a very bad idea.
Tell us more.
Oh, it was I who was the one who created the first telescope.
Whoa.
No, you didn't. It was I, Hans Le Perche, who made the first telescope. I tested the first telescope.
Whoa.
By the way, kids, did you know that the Earth is not at the center of the universe?
Yeah, it's the sun.
And the reason you know that is because of me.
Whoa, did you discover that?
See.
See what?
No, I'm not see, as in, yes.
Oh, I see. What else did you discover?
Oh, well... Jupiter's 4 moons found by me. I found a dark spot in the sun I can't see anymore. What's a miracle? I found all the scientific discoveries, especially in the 17th century.
Galileo, as part of the church, we hereby arrest you for heresy. You're coming with me.